मैसेज आएगा अभी, थोड़ा लेट आया था मैसेज पिछले वाले में भी यार। जी सर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो सेशन है वो बेसिकली अमेज़ॉन वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट और अमेज़ॉन एफबीए से रिलेटेड है। और ये जो सेशन है बेसिकली अमेज़ॉन के ऊपर जो लोग काम करना चाहते हैं, जो वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट काम करना चाहते हैं, दो उनके हवाले से ही आज का टॉपिक होगा, वर्कशॉप होगी। बेसिकली थोड़ा सा कोड डिफरेंस बिटवीन एवीए और एफबीए के अंदर थोड़ा सा कोड डिफरेंस आप समझ लें कि वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट करता क्या है और एफबीए करता क्या है। वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट जो अमेज़ॉन के अंदर जो काम करते हैं, जिनके पास फंड्स नहीं होते लेकिन दे नो द इन्स एंड आउट्स एंड हाउ टू डू द प्रोडक्ट हंटिंग, प्रोडक्ट लिस्टिंग है, अकाउंट में कैसे करना है, ये तमाम चीज़ें आज जो सर्विसेज अपनी देना चाहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अमेज़ॉन वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट। ओके। और जो लोग एज ए बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं अमेज़ॉन के थ्रू, अपना प्राइवेट लेबल हो गए, होलसेल के हवाले से हो गए, या एफबीएम करना चाहते हैं, दैट इज कम्स अंडर द एफबीएम इज डिफरेंट थिंग, फुलमेंट बाय मर्चेंट। बट फुलमेंट बाय अमेज़ॉन जो होता है वो पीएल या होलसेल आप करना चाहो तो वो आप एफबीए के थ्रू कर सकते हैं, अमेज़ॉन एफबीए के थ्रू, जिसके अंदर हमें प्रोडक्ट सोर्सिंग करनी होती है। और सोर्सिंग करने के बाद आपने अपने वेयर हाउस के अंदर लिस्टिंग भी करनी है एफपीएल के अंदर। और जो होलसेल होता है वो बेसिकली आपने अपने किसी एक वेंडर को ढूंढना होता है जिसकी ऑलरेडी शॉप मौजूद है अमेज़ॉन के अकाउंट में। अब उसके अंदर होता क्या है और उसकी चीज़ें क्या होती हैं, वो आपको दोनों को लेके चलूंगा इस वर्कशॉप के दौरान में। सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, बिफोर टुवर्ड्स द अमेज़ॉन होता क्या है, क्या चीज़ें होती हैं, इसके बिफोर थोड़ी सी इंट्रोडक्टरी के हवाले से ज़रा बात करेंगे। ई कॉमर्स है क्या चीज़। बेसिकली ई कॉमर्स से बाइंग सेलिंग सर्विसेज होती हैं जहाँ पे आप अपने ओवर द इंटरनेट देते हो, और लैपटॉप, स्मार्टफोन या जो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू दे रहे हो तो इंटरनेशनल और नेशनल क्लाइंट्स को। और ये बेसिकली डिजिटल स्टोर होता है, डिजिटल ट्रेडिंग होती है एज कम्पेयर टू द फिजिकल जो ब्रिक एंड मोटर स्टोर्स मौजूद है। सो उससे ज़रा फर्क होता है, 24/7 आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो ई कॉमर्स के अंदर, तो इट्स इजीली टू यूज। बट ब्रिक और मोटर्स के अंदर भाई 10 बज गए, शॉप बंद हो गई, आप अगेन नेक्स्ट डे यू हैव टू कम। तो अगर आपने ऑर्डर देना है या कोई चीज़ देखनी है तो यू हैव ओपन द लैपटॉप और टैब एक्सेस टू द ऐप, एंड आप ड्रॉप डाउन करते हो, उसको पसंद करते हो, एंड यू लॉक इट। सो ई कॉमर्स के अंदर जो टाइप्स ऑफ बिजनेसेस होते हैं वो बेसिकली मेजर जो 3 काइंड्स ऑफ होते हैं वो बी टू सी एंड C2C होते हैं। और B2B इज बेसिकली बिजनेस टू बिजनेस, जो एक बिजनेस को दूसरे बिजनेस को इन बल्क के अंदर क्वांटिटी सप्लाई करता है। ठीक है। अब B2C क्या है, जिसके बल्क के अंदर उसने खरीदी तो अब वो इंडिविजुअल क्लाइंट्स को सेल करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अली एक्सप्रेस ऑल्सो, अमेजोन है। ये B2C आप करते हो। C2C क्या है, पाकिस्तान के अंदर OLX.com है, जो 1 to 1 चीजें आप चीजों को सेल करते हो, कंज्यूमर टू कंज्यूमर, इंडिविजुअल सेल करते हो, या ईबे हो गई, थर्ड पार्टी साइड, इस तरह से आप कर सकते हो, ईसी है। ये सारी चीजें आप C2C, B2B और B2C के अंदर आप कर सकते हो। ये तमाम चीजें प्रैक्टिस है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड एंड योर बिजनेसेस और योर सर्विसेज यू आर गिविंग इन द मार्केट। एडवांटेज वही बात आ गई, 24 होता है, 24/7 ओपन है, आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो, ब्रेक एंड मोटर की परवाह नहीं है, आपने चीज़ें चेक की, ऑर्डर दिया, एंड इट इज़ अवेलेबल। डिसएडवांटेज क्या है कि आप उसको फील नहीं कर सकते, महसूस नहीं कर सकते, बस आपको जो टेक्स्ट मिला है उसी के बेसिस के ऊपर ही आप अपने डिसीजन में करते हो, रिव्यूज के बेसिस पे, और उसी के ऊपर आगे आप अपना स्टेप फॉरवर्ड करते हो। It's a risky factor in commerce field. कभी कभार product satisfaction से above satisfaction मिलता है, कभी कभार product average मिलता है. So it all depends on the product to product and the platform of the e-commerce they are using it. So introduction towards the Amazon is basically in 1994. Jeff Bezos is the owner of the, and he began with it, and it's basically started from the selling the books at the Kindle. Then the recently he has started into banking, Amazon, the diapers, and multiple around 50 brands he is running comes under Amazon. He is running basically Jeff Bezos, basically. Amazon Prime hai, Amazon Music hai. All these things comes in the Jeff Bezos, and he is segregating as per the market competitions going on. So as the Amazon virtual assistant and the Amazon things, the concepts are same, but the difference is that in virtual assistant you need to have clients from the freelancing websites from where you began working for those people. But and in FBA, basically you have to do work on the Amazon, basically on your own project, basically your own business you are doing. So in Amazon, as a virtual assistant is and in the Amazon FBA, you can do anywhere remote working. You have to do sourcing. Okay, let's check on the Alibaba or AliExpress or other sources of the in China or other thing the countries. Those products have to be delivered in the Amazon warehouses, fulfillment by the basically centers. And those are the FC centers where the products are delivered, and the as a virtual assistant, you are giving client services and other things. There is a core difference between as a virtual and FBA. I will clarify later on once it is the virtual assistant part is complete. Then I will be discussing on the FBA part. So why do people hire AVA? It's basically task management, email answering, customer services, sales staffs, recruitment है, support है, development है, editing है, pictures, product listing करवानी, product description करवानी है, product content करवाना है, PPC करवाना है, minimum per hour के हिसाब से for example $5 दे दिया किसी ने तो मेरा पैसा बच गया, किसी को आपने on board कर लिया, platform कर लिया तो then you that person has to give the salary per month. So that is the core reason the people they hire, they outsource the virtual assistant, and they have to save the cost, and that the work has to be done. So it's a very narrow market. Amazon is very tricky, but it's all passionate. If you're passionate, if you're workable, if you can achieve it, you are successful. It's all depend believe in you have to believe in yourself during the Amazon working side, because it's not the trading industry. There is no nothing is that financial aid that if you invest in the, for example, 50 lakh rupees in Amazon, you will get a monthly income. No, there is no as such in Amazon field. So keep this mind very simple that Amazon is a purely business, like just in Pakistan is Daraz or AliExpress or Alibaba. These are the one of the international brands or platforms you are doing it. Amazon is one of the top brands in US market. So in 2021 May, Amazon allowed Pakistan to access the two areas where Pakistan can sell their products as FBA. Number one is the US market. That can be Canada, Mexico, and the US market. Then the second is UK market. So these are the areas where you can easily European market, Spain, Italy, and the UK market, you can easily sell your products. The comparatively, the scene is that the US market is very good market for the FBA and the virtual assistant also. So these are the major responsibility as a AVA you are giving it, and these are the things are the done by the as a in FBA also, because before doing the research in the going into the FBA appeal, You have to do product hunting. What is the market need? How much the sellers are there? How much they are doing it, and what are the profit margin? And there are the three basics things which has to be looked after. That is called one is that in product hunting is that portfolio the profitability basically number one. Second is less competitor, and third is demand of that product is very high. So then that product needs to be identified during the product hunting, which use different tools. One of these seller app Helium 10 Keepa. These are the Jungle Scout. These are the product hunting tools which are used, and there are some other manual methods. It is long, lengthy process, but the tools which help you a lot to make a decision faster and to deliver and come out it. So it all depends on the industry, categories, subcategories, and the products which you are using and selling in the market. So I will tell you the how the product subcategories are chosen after this a few sessions slides are gone. So moving forward, how to do listing creation and advertisement is PPC on Amazon is briefly defined. You is that is related to FBA and the virtual assistant in both things aspects. And that is there is in advertisement in Amazon, you whatever this in US market algorithm is same. Whatever the research you do in US in any states, you will find the same thing. But in Google, PPC is different. It is local and it is a country to city vary. So it's a core different, it's a very major core difference understanding between the PPC of Amazon and the PPC of Google. So in Amazon, there are three PPC kind of do advertisement. That is called the amount, the budget you do, you fix the bid per click. Then there is a downwards bidding. Then third is up and down bidding, which cause this means down means if the competitor has set the lower budget, automatically your budget goes down. If the competitor have raised their budget higher than your budget, then your budget will increase. It's very dangerous, but the most probability you go for the downwards budget. So as much as you can save the money over there. So there is a calculations, there is a services charges in Amazon. So you need that needs to be calculator also in Amazon calculator. So moving forward, these are the tools which I told right now. Sourcing strategy, what is a product sourcing? Basically, the most important thing part in FBA, in FBA sourcing, warehouse, the wholesale, and the as a virtual assistant also. If you are providing services as a sources, then you have to quality services goods that are which are not which are prohibited. You do not search those products. They are people are selling in Amazon, but due to some certification under the certification, if Amazon is allowing. So majority of the things which have no expiry, no harmful products, no manuals, avoid those products in the selling from the Amazon. Until the most there is no expiry. The beautician's products are most selling, but there are some specific expiry limit. So you need to have very lots of certification. Then if it is acceptable, then you can able to sell the products on Amazon if there is no objection from them. So the sourcing is basically having supplier goods and services which are providing internally. In sourcing, delegating a job to someone within the company is insourcing. And near sourcing, a business place some operations close to where it is end products are sold to save time and money. That is called basically supply and chain management. Uh, these are the tools which are used, but moving forward towards the Amazon FBA. So in FBA, if you are building an account in from Pakistan, so there are the few documents which are used. Number one is a cell phone code, your registered number, because they give you the OTP number on your text. So that needs to be for the security purpose every time. Email address, unique address, your home address, bank account details, bank statement, basically not bank details, bank statements, bank details for the payment purpose. Then utility bills for the verification of the address from Pakistan. The smart card of the ID card or smart passport are used. And for payment, when you are doing payment on Amazon for the PPC or has a monthly charges as a account, business account, then you have to pay from the credit card, that is security or secure transaction in Amazon. If not, if not, then you may use the debit card of your Faisal Bank and Mazan Bank. These are the top priority you can utilize. There is no harm in it, and there is no basically drawback in using these debit cards from these two banks if you are using from Pakistan. If you are internationally, if you have PayPal, it's fine. It's very secure for you also. Then, my friend, there are two basically accounts which are used in Amazon. It's as a virtual assistant or FBA should know that there is individual plan and second is business professional plan. Individual plan is do not sell your own brand and there is no charges. There is a minimal account amount per charge from the Amazon when you sell the product. So it comes under the wholesale bracket basically. And if you're doing your FBA private label, or you are giving the products towards the warehouse of the Amazon, you are delivering the products. So then that is $39.99 per month has to be charged. And there are two kinds of, there are more further two accounts, individual and business account. Individual is own details, own brand, and business account having the trademark, company details, brand registry. So no one can copy from the other platforms. If someone is copying, so then Amazon will verify and will block your account. So you need to be very, very carefully to work in Amazon market. Around 35,000 accounts have been blocked from Amazon in Pakistan due to the same reason. So what is the core difference between FBA and FBM? FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. The whole, you have to deal with the clients. You have to do PPC. You have to do inventory management. And the customer side, complaint side, and the delivery side is managed by the Amazon that comes under FBA. Then FBM is totally you are the handling and the manufacturing the product, okay, as per the standard of the international. Then you are the dealing with the clients and the customers, but you are only using the platform to sell or the market your products on the Amazon platform. So this is the core difference in FBA and the FBM. That's it till now. These are the few things which are the use sourcing called keywords. Two words are the short tail and the more than two words is the long tail keywords, and it will be helping out. So once you are doing FBA, there are some charges and the other things you have to look after. Make sure if you are doing product listing, to make sure the product should be having 60 to 80% of the product. So that's it. If you have any questions in your mind, so you may ask, and if you inbox the questions, so I will answer it later on. So thank you very much. Have a good day, and thank you very much for attending the workshop. Thank you.